Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove, highlight the raw in Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel sheet. This is the salary sheet. Is the highlight. Then show the highlight. This highlight in the remote. Firstly, remove highlight in the, then you can see the select your highlight the row. Now going to the fill color option. Now click for the no fill option. That's okay. Then remove the highlight. Then again others highlight row. Then select and going to the fill color option. Then click for the no fill color option. That's okay. Again highlight row. Now click for the no highlight, no fill option. That's okay. Then I show the remove highlight the row in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for